Attention! The earthquake tremors are increasing. Move the train to Metropolis Square.
This is maintenance. We have reports of severe tremors in the main subway. Proceed with caution. The tremors are getting worse. Continue to Metropolis Station as quickly as you can. Tremors are getting worse. Continue to Metropolis Station as quickly as you can. Down to the subway. All hands, keep away from Metropolis Station. This is a disaster zone.
Where are you? We need urgent help with the MRT. The whole place is caving in from an earthquake.
Don't worry, folks. There's only one way out of this mess. Heads back. I'll push you out of here. Fast. Superman fast.
you.